Gemini, Gemini, happy birthday to you. Jindan, salute. That was for you. Make sure you stay hydrated. Alright, Geminis. For all my Geminis, what's going on for my Gemini people? Alright, these are the cards. This one's here. We have Star Family. You are part of a team of souls. Call in support, and it's in reverse. So it's almost like we're calling back our soul of ourselves. Star Brothers. This was in the last reading. Who was it? Virgo? Scorpio. I think it was Scorpios. The New Earth was in there too. Whale and Orca. Elders was in there too. We're all connected. Star Keeper. Cosmic ancestors. See the light by staying grounded. And we the Hathors. Deep love. Mother's milk. Birth as a portal. And if you see, we go from this different perspective, a new earth in reverse. It's like we're seeing something from the, like, now the earth is flat, you know, how it really is with the whale and orca. Perhaps we did get like some kind of miscommunication. It's like perhaps you're keeping this true to yourself, something like that. With the star keeper, this is opening up some kind of portals with the cosmic ancestors. Seek the light by staying grounded. It's like we need to be grounded. This is in reverse. This is telling us to be grounded. It's as if the door's up here. It's like we have to see it from a different angle. It's like we got to turn around. It's like we got to see the world flat. It's like you got to see it how it really is. Let's see. I put the cosmic oracle trees wanted to stay out. Let's keep it. Perhaps this does have to do with your health. Being out. And I heard the wilderness, they called the wilderness, especially in the Bible, the stars. You know, we're no man inhibited, and that's the stars. With the dripping moon, and perhaps this does have something to do with the moon. It's almost like it's dripping some kind of knowledge, or it's like a mystery. It's like a mystery. Imprisonment or slavery. Perhaps this mystery from the dripping moon, you see yourself right here, right? It's like the mystery from this moon is freeing us from this imprisonment and slavery. Now we're free. This is why it's like the wilderness. We might be attached to Asia, the Sphinx, or you know, ancient astrology, esoteric astrology. We've been talking about that. Let's see, Gemini, for you, Gemini. Your original ruler is Mercury. Gemini, Nine of Swords. Preservation. It's talking about the bridge between. I want to know the esoteric ruler of Gemini. Where's my fucking papers? Recovered knowledge. The giver of life. Pisces. This isn't it. Capricorn. This is the fourth page. I don't know. You're not meant to know. You're not meant to know until the next reading, Gemini. I can't tell you. I know Gemini has a lot to do with duality and perhaps feeling from the heart. I forget what it was about, but we'll find out next month. Now I'm going to pull from the Before Tarot, and these tarot, get into your tarot, see what this moon is dripping. And what's this moon dripping? Oh, okay. It's like vulnerability. We're vulnerable to some kind of new ritual, or perhaps we're committed to being soft-hearted, letting people in. It's like we're no longer being hard on the outside. With the Seven of Cups on the bottom, there's some kind of choice perhaps that we have to make, or perhaps it's like an illusion with the moon. It's almost like there's the mystery or the confusion. The Three of Pentacles and the Two of Swords both in reverse. It's like this Two of Swords sees the Three of Pentacles. It's like she sees this. It's almost like attached to devil energy. She sees they're trying to do wrong, or she sees she's doing more. Perhaps this is like, oh, I see this and I see I'm being done wrong. I'm still doing this, and I seen this. Star family. Star family with the big burst and the Hierophant right on top of the trees. This is like really getting close to the trees. Let's see the before tarot for Gemini. Okay, well, we're definitely winning it. We're definitely winning it. Let's see. The Hierophant. The Hierophant is right in between the King of Pentacles in reverse and the Seven of Cups in reverse. So this tells me that in order for us to see through the Seven of Cups illusion, or in order to make this choice, we have to give up something that we had all of our lives, or perhaps we have to give up this King of Pentacles in reverse. It's almost like we have to give up some kind of security or something, you know, we did all of our life. The Hierophant is in reverse, so it's like we're breaking free from a religion or from our family. And with the Seven of Cups in reverse right behind it, it's like, oh, I see the illusion. I see the illusion in this now. Now I know with the moon is really dripping, and perhaps this is keeping us stuck in our thoughts. Now we have to get into it's like feeling with our mind with the Ace of Cups. Let's see for some guidance for Gemini. The Ten of Swords. It's like we're falling on all of these ideas. With the Ten of Swords, this is telling us it's almost coming to an end. The 10 is at the end. This is the healing after the Tower. This really reminds me of, like, you know, the Tower moment, us falling from this. Perhaps this is this Uranus-Mars square where it's like something all of a sudden happened. Or I feel with the Ten of Swords, this has been building up. It's now finally coming to an end. Perhaps this has to do with the love or releasing love. It's really being vulnerable. With the Knight of Swords, it's like duck, duck, goose with your mind in reverse. It's like thoughts. We get the truth and then we get lies with the Nine of Cups. It's almost like we're trying to break free. There's the Eight of Swords. Remember I said it's like we're stuck in the Eight of Swords. And it's like releasing our dreams. Releasing our dreams, and this is why the Knight of Cups is here. We're filling up our cup. We're filling up our cup, but in secret. But in secret with the 10. Here again with the esoteric astrology. It's all connected. It goes deep inside. Perhaps look at the other signs for more in that detail. I did see that the Magician. So it's like we're manifesting some big things, Gemini. And I see it's like a spark. Maybe you're connected to Leo somehow. I'm going to read this and then we're going to end this. We, the Hathors. So let's see what we, the Hathors, have to say. We, the Hathors. Deep love, mother's milk, birth as a portal. And I heard Mama Pacha. Birth is a portal that ushers in new life. New life. The Hathors are here to remind you that you're a child of the cosmic mother and you're being called to be held by her deep, never-ending love and embrace. This is a tender, nourishing card reminding you to receive the deep, deep love of the mother's embrace. The Hathors know the journey on earth can be rocky and lonely at times. But you're being reminded to rest more deeply in the mother's arms. And that's really the King of Cups in reverse, is really surrendering to love and really giving your love freely as well. This is a card of extreme potency, of femininity, of creation, and of birth. You're being called to mother yourself and others too, to surrender your sacred femininity, to create and surrender your own creations, to hold and to be held. You're being called to remember your place in the web of life and to realize the Cosmic Mother is watching you every step of the way. You may be going through a transition right now, moving from one way of being to another. If so, you're being reminded that you're cradled in a sacred container, that you're more held than you can possibly imagine. And you have access to more love than your heart can bear. If you're struggling in any way, you're being reassured that things will work out. Open yourself to receiving the overflowing love of the Cosmic Mother flooding towards you from every direction. Let it stretch your heart. And your starseed activation is, you're supposed to say, I allow the deep love of the Cosmic Mother to wash over me. I am loved. I am held. We are the Hathors. And I really do believe that this is, I'm hearing your ancestors, the tree people, these star brothers really coming to protect you, and really I see be your wings through this healing venture, Gemini, through whatever this transition is. And we'll get some more next time. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Love you, Gemini.